fire standing in my hair, reaching the fever pitch, blah na 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 na. Finally, I can see the crystal clear. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial based on this. Did you see that? Yes, Kek Lumut cheese cuckoos, because I really love Kek Lumut cheese cuckoos, except that this year I'm not going to have any, I guess. So without wasting any time, I will start the video. So this is my base makeup. I'm already done with my base. So now I'm going to head to my eye. For eye makeup, I'm going to use this Catrice nude, the fresh nude collection. This is quite nice because you can also contour your face with this shade right here. But anyway, this I'm going to use it just as a base color. So for a base color, I'm going to check this one. Then moving on to this palette, Gemstars Morphe palette. Oh, did you see that? I am going to take this shimmering shade, the second one, this one. I'm going to take this with my finger. Using my finger. Oh my god. Oh. My finger. I'm going to apply this all over my lid. At the center, I'm going to apply it at the center like this, and then spread it around like this. And then using this green right here, this is actually green shade. This green, this one, I am going to put it at my inner corner. Oh, this makeup is going to be a little bit extra. Let me zoom it for you guys. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay. Just see that. This is how I do it. I put it at my inner corner. And then just blend it out like this. Like this. I know it looks weird. That's okay. That is okay because we're going to set them. This look is not finished yet. So then I'm going to draw my eye. Good. This is perfect eyeliner. I'm going to do another one right here. Oh. And then using this brush, I'm going to take a green shade, another green. This green. And I'll just put it right out here at the top of the eyeliner. Just blend it out. For my bottom lid, I will take this shade, this one. Just do it right here at the outer part of your eyes, right here. Okay, almost done, almost done. So for that, I'm going to take this angle brush and then with this shade, then I will put it right here. Just put it here. Make your eyes like this and then put it here. Yes, that's it. That is perfect. Another one right here. So I want to be a little bit extra, so I'm going to use this Innisfree Twinkle Hologram and put it right underneath my eyes. So I'm going to put on a false lashes and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm done. Look at my eyes, it looks so dramatic. Anyway, if you could see my eyes, it looks so pretty. And I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'm going to contour first. For contouring, I'm going to use, wait a minute, use this, the one from Innisfree, and I'm going to take this shade as my contour shade. So I'm going to contour my nose first. I'm going to do my nose. I'm going to make my nose look small. Did you see that? Just do it like this. It already gives shadows to my nose. I'm going to do the same right here. Like this. Next, I'm going to use this. This is the Fintastic Cheek Enhancer, a blush from Camelia Cosmetics. It's the seashell 01. It's so pretty. I really like this pink shade, but this seems a little too pigmented, so I'm going to put it lightly. And this one has a little bit shimmer as well, so you just have to put it lightly. Look at that. Ooh. Put it up here. And then I'm going to do some highlighting. I'm going to highlight my face using using a mixture of this shade and this. Did you see there's a little hint of green here? Did you see that? So pretty. I like it. And the last thing out of all makeup. Oh my god, can you focus? Okay, yes, I focus. The last one is this, a lip product. I'm going to apply this on my lips. This is the Innisfree Vivid Cotton Ink in number 8 Marine Tulip Nude. Yeah, Marine Tulip Nude. It's so written in Korean. I know how to read in Korean, but the thing is, I'm quite slow reading this. But anyway, I'm going to apply this on my lip.
The day you kiss my lips, light as a feather, and you went just like this.
This is the final look. Do you like it? Do you like it? Because I like it. Ha! Anyway, this kind of makeup is inspired by Lumut cheesecake that you see. There's green. The first layer is green, and then the middle layer is the white, and then white as in cheese, and the one right here is another set of green, and it represents the 3-layer of the Lumut cheesecake. Usually my sister make it 2-layer, but I like it 3-layer because it looks more pretty, more aesthetic, if you get what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I really hope you will enjoy your Raya. I know some people will not be able to go home like me. I'm not going home this year for Raya. I really hope in the future I will be able to celebrate my Raya next year with my family. This is my first time not celebrating Raya with them. Quite sad, but what can I do? Anyway, I really hope you're going to enjoy your Raya. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click on the bell button so that you will not miss any new video from me, because every time I upload a new video, you will get notified by YouTube. And I am going to hit 500 plus subscribers soon, so don't forget to join my giveaway. If you want to join my giveaway, do subscribe to me, because that is one of the condition in order to join my giveaway. Anyway, bye. I really hope you enjoy watching. Bye bye.